Monday, time to talk technology. Our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, joining us from the Alvarez Technology Group. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you?
Doing pretty good. So there's, I guess, some hurt feelings in Microsoft world because it turns out somebody found out that Microsoft is paying people in different divisions wildly different amounts of money for kind of doing the same work.
Yeah, well, AI has become a big buzzword that we've been talking about for most of the year. And it turns out that Microsoft, like a lot of tech companies, have shifted their focus away from kind of their traditional money-making endeavors to AI. And those positions are garnering significantly more money than the traditional engineers that work in other divisions of Microsoft, like their cloud division or apps. So if you're an AI engineer, you're making upwards of $377,000 a year compared to other engineers that are making about $120,000 less. So it's very lucrative. If you're a good AI person looking for a job, you're going to command a pretty significant premium over everybody else.
Right. And then I noted in the story that they mentioned the fact that there are some employees at Microsoft, I guess they must be doing some sort of entry-level jobs, and they make like $42,500 a year with no extra compensation.
Yeah, I mean, if you're working as a clerk or, in the admin office, you're not going to be making these kind of salaries. But if you have an engineering degree, if you're a proven technician and engineer, you can make pretty good money. So all those layoffs that you hear about in technology that have been happening over the course of this year, a lot of those are being replaced by AI engineers. So it's not like these guys are downsizing overall. They're just right-sizing and moving people around to put technicians and engineers in places where they need to be.
So, Luis, has there been any sort of blowback to Microsoft for this policy of maybe paying some people a lot more than others, or are they going to change anything?
Yeah, I think what you're seeing is that some of those people that feel like they've been disrespected, they're going to be looking at other companies for positions because they feel like there's no, Microsoft has really done them a disservice, and they'll be looking in LinkedIn, Indeed, and all those other recruiting boards to see if there's jobs in other places that'll pay them a little bit more and respect them a little bit more.
That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today here on Power Talk Radio. Online, it's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.